Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily change administrator on Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for Control Panel. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best match, which is the Control Panel system, and click on Open to continue. If your view doesn't look like this, if your window doesn't look like this, proceed with the upper right side of that, click on View By, and change that into category. Once done, go with User Accounts, click on it, and there you can see three options where here you need to proceed with User Accounts, click on it. Okay, so here in the mic changes to your user account, please proceed with Change Your Account Type, click on it, and there you can select your new account type. In my case, it is already being administrator. Okay, so go with administrator and go with changed account type. In my case, it is being already grayed out since I have already set it into administrator. But in your case, you have to go with change account type since you will be able to see here standard. Okay, so go with change account type. Then once done, click on this to close the window and restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, you would be able to set your account into administrator. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget don't forget to leave a comment if you have succeeded on changing your account to administrator. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.